This tiny cabin home on wheels exudes a distinctly masculine interior character, bold, grounded, and refined in its expression. Designed with a strong spatial identity, the layout showcases a harmonious blend of functionality and style, where every element serves both an aesthetic and practical purpose. The heart of the interior is defined by a carefully crafted cabinet layout system that is both functional and ingenious. These built-in storage units are strategically positioned along the perimeters of the space, integrated into raised platform, embedded within walls, and sustained from above, to ensure that essential storage needs are met without encroaching upon the communal area. As a result, the central living zone remains open and free, allowing for unrestricted movement and activities throughout the day. The masculine ambience is further reinforced by the choice of finish and materials. Wall surfaces are adorned with vertical strip elements in deep, rich tone, charcoal expression brown, and matte black, adding visual depth and a sense of structure to the room. These dark hues enhance the cabin's grounded atmosphere, lending it a cozy yet assertive presence. Balancing this linear rhythm is a central focal wall element, a bold, thick box arrangement that acts as an ornamental accent. Positioned with precision in the middle of the cabin's main wall, this sculptural feature not only adds visual weight but also introduces a tactile dimension to the design. It may serve a dual purpose as display shelving or simply as a statement piece, reinforcing the interior's architectural sensibility. Together, this design choice create a tiny cabin home that feels powerful yet composed. The blend of masculine texture, dark ornamental stripes, and space-saving cabinet system culminates in a compact living environment that is both rightly stylish and exceptionally livable.